Hello and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about the 4 rules of being financially literate. Financial literacy is essential for making informed and responsible financial decisions. There are various principles and rules to achieve financial literacy, but 4 fundamental rules can serve as a solid foundation for better money management. Understand your finances. To become financially literate, you must first gain a deep understanding of your financial situation. This includes knowing your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Create a budget to track your spending and regularly review your financial statements, such as bank and credit card statements. Understanding where your money comes from and where it goes is the cornerstone of financial literacy. Live within your means. Financial literacy includes the ability to live within or below your means. This means spending less than you earn and avoiding excessive debt. To achieve this, create a budget that ensures your expenses are lower than your income. Prioritize essential expenses, save for the future, and avoid impulsive or unnecessary spending. Living within your means is vital for building financial security. Save and invest wisely. A key component of financial literacy is knowing how to save and invest your money effectively. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, and then focus on saving for your short-term and long-term financial goals. Additionally, learn about different investment options and strategies, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Investing wisely can help your money grow over time and generate passive income. Manage debt responsibly. Financial literacy also involves managing debt responsibly. Understand the types of debt you have, their interest rates, and repayment terms. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, and avoid taking on excessive or unnecessary debt. Being aware of the consequences of debt and developing a plan to eliminate it is a crucial aspect of financial literacy. By following these 4 rules, you can establish a solid foundation of financial literacy. It's important to continually educate yourself about personal finance, stay informed about financial news and developments, and adapt your financial strategies as your goals and circumstances evolve. Financial literacy empowers you to make informed and responsible financial decisions, leading to greater financial security and well-being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.